Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well.
With eSIM functionality becoming more popular day by day, OEMs will soon replace physical SIM cards with electronic SIM cards. Although there is still time for that to happen since most smartphones don't support eSIMs, not even alongside a standard SIM card. Xiaomi's smartphone lineup was no exception to this. However, the Chinese company has rectified this with its latest Xiaomi 12T Pro. Xiaomi 12T Pro was introduced in the global market on October 4th, and it is the company's first globally launched smartphone to offer eSIM functionality. However, it is supported by a limited number of carriers and the availability may vary depending on country, region and carrier. It is worth noting that 12T Pro was launched in two SIM card configurations, Nano SIM Plus eSIM and Nano SIM Plus Nano SIM. Currently, users residing in countries like Germany, Italy, France, Japan, and Malaysia among others can use eSIM. You can check the full list of countries, regions and carriers with eSIM support here. eSIM functionality is also available on the Redmi Note 10T but only in Japan. Further, it is reported that the upcoming Xiaomi 12 Lite Ne will also support this feature. To recall, the Xiaomi 12T Pro comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display offering a resolution of 2712 x 1220 pixels and a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. The handset is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, clubbed with 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB storage. It is equipped with a new 200-megapixel primary sensor. The handset also has an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel macro camera. On the front, the device comes with a 20-megapixel selfie camera. 12T Pro has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 120W fast charging.
So this was our video today. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.